southwest Ohio, Adams, Brown, Pike, and Scioto. From 2 a.m. Thursday through Friday morning, the ground within the watch area remains quite wet from recent heavy rainfall over the past few days. Additional rounds of showers and thunderstorms with heavy rain are likely late tonight through early Friday morning, which could lead to flash flooding. Another 1 to 2 inches of rainfall will be possible with locally higher amounts. People in the watch area should keep an eye on the weather and be prepared for immediate action should heavy rains and flooding occur or a flash flood warning be issued. Avoid low-lying areas and be careful when approaching highway dips and underpasses. This is no weather. All hazards radio station KIH-42, Covington, Kentucky.
My WR300 finally goes off on KIH-42. Sorry for the scare for anybody. Knew this was coming.